guys? It's your boy Jason. Welcome back to. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, what's up, guys? So today, come back with another video. We have some special guests, Tenacity Brian and Winston with the Y and the X.
Yeah.
We are gonna be installing something we drove down to LA to get. Carbon fiber trunk, duckbill trunk. Yeah, it's for a Toyota RAV4. No, but we drove all the way down to LA to pick this shit up from it's called Southbayautoworkz, and we're gonna be getting rid of this, you know, authentic carbon fiber duckbill and OEM trunk. We can get rid of these pieces of shits. It might be badgeless, and the only thing that sucks is that there's no trunk button. There's only a backup camera, but I don't even use the trunk button. I haven't looked up any install videos on how to do this yet.
Bro, what if I kick this shit? I'm going to.
I'll kick your knee, bro. I think your knee costs more than that shit. But yeah, we're just gonna try to figure this out. We're gonna start off by taking the interior piece, because we have the backup camera at the unplug. And then after that, I think we could place this little contraption onto the carbon fiber. So we got the interior piece off, and it looks like I'm up to unscrew the reverse lights, the hood latch, and this emergency thing, so when I kidnap people they can get out of my car.
What?
Oh.
You don't want that.
Yeah, I don't need this actually.
I don't think so. Oh. You have to use heat gun? Oh god!
Hey guys, so we got a lot of things done, but we did run into a problem. The backup camera, it sticks out of this hole, so like it'll stick out that much, because we're gonna go buy some like rubber lining, hopefully cover this up, make it look kind of flush, and then force the camera through it. And then we also need to drill a hole through here to patch it up, so there's no way to run wires through this fucking trunk. So we need to run the wires through this trunk through here to these backup cameras and all that. Look at the G, so naked. Alright, we're here at Lowe's. I had to buy this little expandable weather seal. It better at least work. You know, if I'm gonna spend this much money, this should better at least cover the holes and make it so there's no water inside my trunk after a rainy day. But we are on the way to get some boba. My ABB and Alexis taking me out on a date. We're kind of special right now. Rose ABG Lounge. Where are you gonna park in the front, bro? What are you doing?
No, bro. Everyone wants to see my car, bro.
You're right. Reverse park.
Exactly. Car things. This is really good, actually.
It's like janky though. It doesn't, right? I mean, it does, but it's like.
I mean, you can always cut it.
But we use the little rubber lining to to put this on the edges so water doesn't seep through. But before there's like an ugly ass gap. Now it's pretty flush. And we're gonna force it through. I might just leave it like this. There's no way to make it look good. Zoom in on this. See how there's really nowhere to drill in the backup camera? Look no further. Tenacity hot glue. Hold on, waiting for this to warm up. and then I will apply it. It's not hot enough. Cut the clip, cut the clip. All right, we're back. Oh, yup. Look at that. The cheapest sealant you can ever get. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. This is never going anywhere. Hopefully I never need to swap trunks. Alright, so we got this trunk off. I think it's good like this. Weight reduction. But I think the carbon fiber trunk is like 5 to 10 pounds less than this. Maybe more, I don't know. We're gonna try to fish the wires through here. We gotta
cut it first.
Yeah, we gotta cut a little hole on one of these ends and then put it in. I think it's on that end.
Can you zoom out?
Yeah. I'm gonna need to cut it more though.
What's up, guys? So right now what we're doing is drilling some holes into the carbon fiber trunk.
Basically, for the old one, there's little holes for the tabs to go in for your interior lining. But for this new one, they didn't make any holes for you, so you have to make it yourself. And they covered it up and then painted it or something. But
yeah, and then so there's like another one right here. So
here at Jason's Auto Body, we say fuck it, and we're just only thing stopping us is money. Look at that. So earlier we hot glued it. We put duct tape and hot glue over it, and it's just not moving. So
yep. So
we got Jason's seal of approval.
What's up, guys? So
There's some fishing. So we got this little hanger, metal hanger. We bent it, made it straight, wrapped it around, and then we pulled that shit through.
Yep. So we had this thing and we fed it through this hole that we created.
Yeah, you should have saw that earlier.
Yeah, and then
what Vince can do. And then we could just screw on the trunk.
Yep.
Screw on the trunk, plug everything in, put the interior piece on. We should be done.
Overall, like the little fitment issue is probably like here.
Yeah, it's here, and then it's like the trunk. So basically, Vince, my helper, is gonna unlock it. All right, so basically this thing doesn't come out enough, so it's getting stuck right here.
Yep.
So when we close it, it's getting stuck. Okay. So you think it's closed? Nope. You have to hear that click.
Quick. Yeah.
And then it'll be closed.
Yeah. But yeah. I mean, like I said here, it's vented too much, and so if you take a look at it,
yeah, water's probably gonna get in, but
it probably won't get through the trunk. It's just like there's a little spot where water can just sit.
No. That's why we bust 17 bucks. Guys, we are back from AutoZone. So the fitment for the taillight is not perfect, so we bought some show them, Vince.
Some sealant, bro.
Yes, sir. Some black silicone sealant. Right now we had the weather tape that we put for the review camera, but we're gonna use some liquid because the water was seeping through somehow. But I think this one might be fine. I hope.
Is it really aftermarket part if there's no fitment issues?
Nope. Always fitment issues.
That's how you know it's aftermarket quality.
You
want to seal with this too?
So we put some black silicone seal on the little reverse lights. So everything looks pretty flush. Looks pretty nice. That
Honestly,
lighting is perfect.
This side came out better. Like we don't have.
We gotta cut out past the plastic piece for it. Like they're damn near the same flushness. Never mind, this one's better.
Yeah, this one.
This one at the tip right here sticks out, but it should be fine. Ooh, so fucking nice. Let me give you a little side profile of how much it sticks up. It's about the same as when I had my duckbill. Alright, you guys, it's day 2. I didn't record an outro yesterday, so this is the outro. But I'll give you a little. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And there's more content on the way. We got. Stay tuned for this man's video.
Coming up next.
Coming up next after me.
After like, well, how did it go? Like coming right up, like in news, like coming right up.
I don't know.
Something like that. But we won't be changing this piece of crap.
Go to his channel. Go to his channel.